Today we're looking at the MOVELINK Mini, a mobile audio solution for all you mobile film creators to take your audio to the next level. So let's go ahead and check it out. So I want to thank GODOX for sending this out for me to check out. I definitely appreciate it. Now, I've used GODOX products in the past and I've been very impressed with it. So when they reached out, I definitely wanted to check this out. This kit is the 2 transmitter kit. So it comes with your 2 wireless mics. Now these mics do not have a spot to plug in an actual lav mic. So you're gonna have to clip this directly to your shirt or however you're gonna do your recording. And then you have the one receiver. It all comes nicely packaged in this charger case, which is similar to the other GODOX kit that I have, which I really like. Everything is compact in one. Now, as far as the receiver, you can see I have the iPhone lightning cable plugged into it. It also comes with a TRS and a TRRS adapter where you can plug directly into an actual camera if you wanted to. One thing that they don't have is the USB Type-C. That's not included in this. You would have to buy an actual different kit to get the USB Type-C, where I think they should have just included that in this box. But if you have an Android phone, there's a different SKU that you need to order in order to get the USB Type-C. A nice thing that they thought about is I don't have to take this off to put it back in the case. You see there's a little cutout here where I could just slide it back in. Also, you see they have a pair button here. I didn't really have to deal with that. Mine was already paired. But if you need to repair everything, just hit this button here. Now there's a little thing here. I was wondering what this was. This was actually stored right here. And I was wondering why that was there. So what this is for, if you need to take this adapter out and switch it, there's a little hole right there at the bottom that you can push this in. And it'll actually help you push out the adapter. So if you was wondering what this little metal piece is for, that's what that's there for. All right, now if you go around the case is made of a plastic, but it's definitely good enough to protect your 2 transmitters and your receiver. So I like that they provided that case, and this case actually charges. So you can see right there you have your indicator light to let you know that the case is charged. And if you wanted to charge any of either the receiver or the transmitter, you just plug in your USB-C right there to start the charge. And as I was saying before, none of these have any types of ports on them. So the only way you can charge it is inside the case. Now I tested this kit out. I took it out with the kids out to the park and I mic'd up the kids to give you an idea of what the audio quality sounds like. So let's go ahead and check that out.
It's actually funny if you close your eye.
No.
Like someone in my class, like named Chase, like goes all the way like super high, like higher, like super high, and then they jump off. Probably because like, everyone does like really crazy things on the swings. And like some people stand up on the swings and start swinging. And some people like share the same swing and then like start spinning around. And some people put their stomach on the swing and like twist the swing and then let go and then start spinning.
See if you can make it across.
I don't even know how to go past one. Okay, do you want to go to the other playground soon? Oh, you said chicken Alfredo. Like, that's what you said.
That's what you picked.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Chicken Alfredo.
Yeah. Okay, do you go in this thing? I am not good at going down.
So the case has an 8-hour battery life, and the actual individual transmitter and receiver have a 6-hour battery life, which is more than enough to complete any type of shoot you have. So after listening to the mics, I thought they sound pretty good. And especially for the price point, which is under $100, I don't think you can get much better kit for the price. Now, a couple of things that I wish they would have added to this was, one, just include the USB Type-C connector. I think it would have made everything a lot easier for people who have iPhones and Androids like myself. Hopefully they'll be able to add that adapter. I don't know if the internals of the actual receiver are different, and that may be why they weren't able to put both the USB and the Lightning in the same case. Might be a different actual receiver, so I'm not sure about that. Also, internal recording would be nice on this. If you ever had any type of interference or where the signal cuts out. Now, of course, I know that probably would take the price point up a little bit, but hey, we can wish, right? But overall, a really nice product from GODOX. And I think this is going to help out a lot of beginning filmmakers that are still filming with their cell phones. If you want to boost that audio quality, this is definitely something you should probably check out. All right, I want to thank GODOX for sending this out. I definitely appreciate it. I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.